Today we continue with the complex sentences, and we are going to use the second group of conjunctions. They are called cause and effect, or reason and result conjunctions. They gave answers to question why. They are because, as, since, because of, so, as a result, consequently, as a result of. First, we are going to study the first group, then the second group. Because, as, since, and because of come before the reason clauses. We start with the main verb, the main clause, then we give the reason why we did that action or why we didn't do that action. We just give the reason on the with the conjunctions. Because, as, since are followed by a sentence. Because of is followed by a noun or ing form of the main verb. Examples are here. I stay at home. This is the main clause. It gives us the full meaning. When we look at that, we can understand what it means, what is going on there. I stayed at home. Then the reason comes. Why I stay at home? Because it rains. So because this is the reason clause, and because it's beginning of the reason clause. I stay at home. Why? Because it rains. Instead of because, we can put as or since. I stay at home because I stay at home as it rains, or I stay at home since it rains. They have the same meaning. If you want to make this sentence with because of, we cannot bring a sentence. We have to bring a noun or ing form of the main verb. I stay at home because of the rain. I stay at home. Why? Because of the rain. We do this first, then we go to the second part. The formula we are going to use, same as the formula we used in the time conjunctions, main clause, conjunction, and dependent clause. We make an example. We go to shop. This is the main clause. We go to shop. Why? Because the fridge is empty. We go to shop because the fridge is empty. We can use, instead of because, as or since. We go to shop since the fridge is empty, or we go to the shop as the fridge is empty. This is the first group of the second group of the conjunctions, and first group of the conjunctions in the second group of the conjunctions. Because, as, since, and because of. Have you got any questions?